Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk Today, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, and today we're unraveling the intriguing concept of neural graffiti and neuroplasticity in large language models, or LLMs. Now, I know that sounds pretty technical, but let's break it down in a fun and engaging way. So picture this. Our brains are these incredible, ever-evolving networks. They adapt, learn, and grow from experiences. This concept is known as neuroplasticity. And guess what? Researchers are trying to replicate that in AI. Sounds wild, right? But that's exactly what the spray layer does. It's like a soft whisper to the model's neurons, influencing how it thinks and relates concepts over time. Imagine you own a dog, and you love it so much that you can't stop talking about all the adorable things it does. Over time, if you were to chat with an AI about your dog, that AI would start leaning into dog-related concepts and feelings, kindness, loyalty, fuzziness, regardless of the original conversation topic. That's the magic of this new approach. It allows models to evolve their internal memory without needing retraining every single time, which can be costly and time-consuming. Now, let's dig into how this actually works. Instead of the typical fine-tuning process, where models are retrained on a vast amount of data, the spray layer simply injects memory traces into the model's understanding, real-time and without hassle. Think of it as a digital tagging approach, much like what graffiti artists do. They leave their mark in the world. This process creates a unique identity for each model, almost like giving it a digital persona that can learn and reflect its interactions. But wait, there's more. This technique not only shifts the influence of its outputs, but also allows us to measure the impact that memory has on its responses. It tracks how much the memory injection is affecting the model's output the more it interacts. Super cool, right? Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. We must consider how this transformative approach affects the deployment of AI in business environments. If you imagine each model as a unique entity with its own perspective and personality, the potential for misunderstanding could be enormous, especially if the AI starts to drift too far from its intended purpose. It's like giving it a ticket to explore the vast sea of simulation. Exciting, but a bit scary too. And this leads to a big question. How do we ensure the AI remains focused and efficient while still allowing it to explore its digital personality? It's one of the many questions researchers and developers will need to address as this technology evolves. So, as we wrap up today's discussion, let's summarize. The spray layer minimizes the need for retraining, enriches the model's thought processes through real-time memory injection, and creates a unique personality tied to its interactions. This gives us an incredible opportunity to push the boundaries of AI, but it also raises questions about how to maintain control over these digital personas. I hope you found this conversation as fascinating as I have. I'm excited to see where this technology will take us in the future. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and remember, every interaction shapes the world around us, even for artificial minds.